Good morning, everyone. Well, today we're back with Ginger over at Ginger's Corner, and we are doing base pages, and there's other ladies hopping along, and that link down below will take you to a YouTube playlist that shows everybody who's also doing the base pages. Now, actually, when I did this is one where I laid down some papers and like, oh, I like it like that. And then I went and cut a white piece to put in with it. So I really like how this one looks. And
is that Echo Park's Summer Dreams collection?
it is.
That's nice.
It is. And I'm going to be scrapbooking the two oldest granddaughters, except for this is going to be for Tegan's. So the last 3 days I've been scrapbooking Tegan, and her older sister is right behind her. And it must have been really sunny, otherwise she had sand in her eye because she's like got one eye just scrunched together. Is that what you did? Squinted together? I don't know what the words are for it. But I just think this is such a cute collection, and I think these are super cute pictures to go with it. And and I think I'm going to, I kind of had my layout, the embellishments picked out. And then I thought, oh, the strings on these little bikinis back here, I thought it'd be cute to have maybe some string here. And I thought if I could get this underneath it, I'm just going to tie it at the top and maybe wrap it around like 3 times, or so it looks like 3 strings. Do you have to wrap it 3 times to get 3 strings? I don't know.
Did you say embellishments?
Yes, I did say embellishments.
Embellishments, embellishments, Terry. Show 'em where to put 'em now.
Now, for you people that haven't been here before, sometimes my husband shows up and he's weird. I tell him he's missed his calling. He should have been a comedian. Okay, this is probably way too much string, but I'm gonna just cut it off here. And I got my fabric scissors. Okay. I had the string sitting here from something else I had done, and I thought, oh, I could put that up there and it would kind of resemble the little bikinis. Hey, husband, come back here. Let me use your finger. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a knot first. Okay, I think I'm good now. And then tie it in a bow. I do have a like reverse tweezers, so if you don't have a helper, then that's what I usually use. But I think it's actually in the other room today because I was using it, or I thought I might use it the other day, but I didn't. Okay. I'm gonna put, maybe I'm gonna make the bow just a little bit bigger. Okay, I think like that. And I'm gonna cut it off to there. If it hangs over their faces or something, I'll have to cut it. Okay, so I think that's good. I'm gonna run a little bit of glue underneath it so it doesn't keep popping up like that. When I can see I made that one side a lot longer than the other. Oh, and it's actually underneath this mat too. Huh, when you have all those papers there, you just don't know what you're gonna be glued under, or tied under, I guess. Okay. I put a little more. Because I didn't tape them all the way down when I did them, just so that in case I tuck something underneath. I rarely tuck something underneath, but today's the day. Okay, I'm just trying to get the lid back on here. And this glue, it's got the wiggliest little pin. I don't think my other one's quite so bad. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna tape these down and I'm gonna have them, well, this one in the middle, the two of them together. Here she's in the sand. I think her sister's in the sand there. It always kind of freaks me out because you hear bad things when they're bury each other, but you know, it's like hopefully they, well, they're home now, so it doesn't matter. They're home and growing. But it always kind of freaks me out. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one straight with the top of it, even though now I have wonky papers. And am I gonna put that up on it or just below it? I'm gonna try to put it just below it, I think. I'm not gonna push it down real hard yet. And then this one here, I'm gonna put this corner straight, or this edge straight with that. What is that noise I keep hearing?
I'm slaving away for you.
Not that noise. It's like boom, boom. Something going on.
Camp Atterbury.
Is it them? Okay. I thought maybe it's snowing a little. Actually, it looks like it's snowing a lot, but it's just really fine. And it's very windy, so I thought it was that. Okay, so I think about like that. And that's really popped up. I might have to put some dimensionals underneath that. Yeah, it's funny how that really made it lumpy. I've done it before and didn't have it come out that lumpy. Okay, so I've got my pictures down. So it's like I lined up this with this one with this, and that with that. And I just thought that kind of gave it a fun look. And again, I'm trying to use my stickers because I'm really good at getting to the very end of the paper and having a whole sticker sheet left. Now in this one I have used some of it up, so I don't have as much as usual. Okay, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna have like 2 titles, but they're just gonna be on the stickers. And this one says, girls just wanna have sun. And if there's flip-flop stickers, I just want to use them because I'm a flip-flop lover. I wear them year-round. Okay, and then I have a flamingo. And I'm gonna stick it right over the edge of this pink paper. And then I have some little stickers, little heart stickers. Of course I have stickers, that's what I'm using. Okay, and then I have the pink one, and then I have a little turquoise one. Okay, I'm just gonna put it around the flamingo. Okay. And then over here, I'm gonna use a swimming suit. And she's got on a pink one piece, so I thought this would be perfect. And I have a little suitcase. And it says, so they're in Florida and we live in Indiana. It says, best vacation ever. And do I want that tucked under the swimming suit, or? I just want to make sure I can see the words. I think I'm going to put the swimsuit over top of it. And I'm going to try to make the suitcase straight. Okay, now I don't know if they drove one of these little Fezbas or not. And I don't know if I've ever used one in a layout, but I'm going to use one today because I want some pink up here in this corner. So I'm going to use this little Fezba, or whatever you call them. Are they Fezbas? These little bikes?
Possibly.
And then I have this little sticker that says Soak Up the Sun. So that's my other title. And I'm just going to put it right over the back of the FESPA. And you know what? I am going to have to put something underneath there because it really sticks up. Okay, let me grab the dimensionals. And, oh, I actually have my reverse tweezers out here, but where's my other ones? Because that's what I want now. I didn't think about what that would do to my page. Oh, here's my tweezers. When I go to stick something, you know, sometimes I'll, even after I've, you know, filmed the layout, sometimes I'll take and put stickers underneath, or the dimensionals underneath, like if something's sticking up too much. So I'm gonna do that. Kind of get it to at least connect to the paper. Okay, what's there? Still need something there. So sometimes I do this, but not all the time when I'm filming. But this time I'm going to have to get this underneath there. Okay. So it's kind of wonky, but I still like that twine back there. And since I went underneath two of the papers, that might be what's really causing the problem. I have no idea. But I've already tried gluing it down, so I don't think I'd actually be able to pull it up. So I'm just going to work with what I got here. Whoa. Just picked up a little piece of fuzz. Guess it's going along. Okay. And we got the little FESPA holding that part of that down too, so that might be helpful. Okay, and I'm putting one here. Okay, that's much better. Looks like I could still use something there. And I'm gonna glue down this pink one too, because, you know, none of them are glued down much. Oh. Sometimes I can hardly get the glue out, and then sometimes it just over squirts out. So there we go. Okay. And then I have I think it looks like a dreamsicle, which is probably what it is, since this is called the Summer Dreams. And I'm gonna put that, let's see, I was gonna stick it right here, but since that is sticking up like that, I'm gonna pull it down over this. So I think that's pretty good there. And now I'm gonna use some enamel dots. And I'm thinking, because there's orange here, there's one little piece of orange here and none over here, that I would use the orange to match the dreamsicle. And I think this one matches it really good.
Did you say enamel dots?
Oh, no, I'm sure I didn't.
Are you gonna sing it?
No. It's all on you, man. Oh, and I got this little smiley sticker too. I'm gonna put that here. I forgot it was just laying here to the side. Okay.
Are you getting ready to put on an enamel dot?
I am.
Enamel dots, Terry. Show them where to put them now.
How about right here?
Good choice.
And I'm gonna put some in each little triangle that I have here. or each little point of the triangle, I should say. Well, I just pulled the color off my my little enamel dot. Now I know it's almost clear on the top. Okay. These are the ones that they kind of look like water drops. And so these are, I like to use them like beach scenes and stuff like that. And did that get away? Okay, there we go. So there's, no, look at it, I just can't. There it is. I was gonna say I can't get it to stay where I want it. Okay, there we go. And then I'm gonna put some over here. So there's a lot of colors just in this background paper. And these are, I never had any trouble with these little stickers, but they're kind of giving me a little trouble today. I don't know what the deal is. Maybe they were sitting in the sun or something. Okay, so got some there. And then I'm gonna put some up in the little top right corner. And where do I want them? I think over here, because I think I won't see them otherwise. I really want to put on this one. Will it stick? No, look at that. The little paper part stayed, or the little part that's a sticker. I'm going to try to pull it off. I'll just glue it down. Hate to waste any of my little enamel dots. Let's see, where do I want that? I think right there. Okay, it does actually feel sticky on top of that. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue. We'll just try to fix it here. Okay. Now I gotta pick it up and try to put it on that. We'll see if it does a good job. Did it flip over? No, let me try to pick it up again. It's one of those struggles is real thing. Oh, it's not cooperating. Oh, is my pencil here? Yes, it is. Let me try this. A little wax pencil. Yes. Okay, I'm just gonna let that dry and I think it'll be good. Okay, so that is it. The little details took a little longer, but having part of the layout done really is helpful. And I love how it turned out. So thank you for joining me. Remember to go check out the other ladies that are playing along. And if you want to play along with us anytime, or we do scraps to embellishments too, just go over on Facebook or YouTube to Ginger's Corner and sign it, ask her to, or tell her that you'd like to join. So have a wonderful and blessed day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.